KleverSafe Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The KleverSafe Wallet app is gaining attention as one of the most secure and user-friendly crypto hardware wallets on the market. But is it really worth your trust and investment? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. Starting with the pros, the biggest advantage of KleverSafe is security. This device is fully offline, meaning it never connects to the internet or Bluetooth. That instantly reduces the risk of remote hacking, a huge plus for anyone serious about protecting their crypto assets. Another major benefit is multi-chain support. KleverSafe can store a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Solana, XRP and many ERC20 tokens. It's perfect for investors who manage a diverse portfolio. The device also offers military-grade encryption and a secure backup system using a recovery seed phrase, giving users complete control over their funds. And when paired with the Clever Wallet app, it creates a seamless experience for sending, receiving, and tracking your assets, all while keeping private keys safely offline. But let's talk about the cons. First, because it's a hardware wallet, there's an upfront cost, usually around $100 or more. For beginners or casual traders, that can feel expensive compared to free mobile wallets. Another downside is limited usability for new users. Setting up a hardware wallet can be intimidating if you're not familiar with seed phrases, firmware updates, and device syncing. Finally, while the Clever ecosystem is expanding, some users prefer open source wallets for maximum transparency, and KleverSafe isn't fully open source yet. In conclusion, the KleverSafe Wallet app stands out for security, versatility, and sleek design. The surprising truth? It's not for everyone, but for serious investors who want peace of mind and total control over their crypto, it's a powerful choice. Always remember, in crypto, safety isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.